Alright, these are gonna be... Alright, we are at Canada Place in downtown Vancouver with this amazing atrium. Look at that. See, and you got brand new Schindler escalators here. And you can see that's the atrium. We are gonna ride the elevators, of course. And these are the parking elevators, I think. Yeah, this goes down to ballrooms and the hotel lobby. They're Otis Series 1. One of them should come. Ah, here we go. We got this one. Ooh, nice. These are the parking elevators at the Pan Pacific, I think. And Grandma Voice, Otis. Let's go to P2. Elevonic 401s.
Second, parking level.
You're on the parking floor?
Going up.
Otis. Let's go up to R. Restaurant.
Fourth floor, restaurant level.
Ooh, nice classic leveling.
Going down.
P2?
Second, parking level. Going up.
Restaurant?
Fourth floor.
Grandma
restaurant
voice.
level.
It's got the grandma voice.
Going down.
There's a non-ADA compliant phone in here. Let's get a cab view look at these again. I gotta say, the cabs are very nice.
Convention level.
Oh, here we are on the convention level. Going down?
Going down.
What floor?
Yeah, oh, that's good.
Cruise ship terminal. Hotel Health Club. Going down. Second, parking level. Going up.
Don't know what floor I got off on, but these are pretty nice, I gotta say.
Cruise ship terminal. Hotel Health Club. Going up.
Alright.
Convention level.
Wow. Epic classic leveling. Oh yeah, one more floor. Whoops. Oh, I'm just taking a video of the elevator. I like elevators.
Level.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
Going down.
Not today. Oh, yeah, maybe I'm wrong about that.
Going up.
Alright. There we go. M.
Convention level, meeting room level.
Alright, this is where we're supposed to be, so. Alright, and there it goes. And that's gonna be it.